Welcome back. The second edition of the Indian Bike Week IBW, which brings together bikers, bikes, music and entertainment, will be held in Goa from 17 to 18 January 2014.
The event, organized by Festival Planners 70 Event Media Group and travel and lifestyle channel Fox Traveler, is said to be the biggest congregation of bikers in the country. In 2013, over 6,000 bike enthusiasts are said to have attended IBW. The attendance is likely to be more in 2014. The entry ticket, to which is priced 3,000 rupees, an early bird discount of 10% is available till October 31st. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Defending champions Churchill Brothers opened their I-League account after a draw against Mohun Bagan on Saturday. Both teams failed to score. Churchill, who had lost the opening match, finally have a point against their name. Mohun Bagan have now scored 2 successive draws in this season's I-League. The match was played at Duler ground in Mapsa.
I also welcome my expert commentator, former international, Mr. Savio Madeira, and also the assistant national coach. As the players line up for the handshake, the atmosphere at this ground is really fantastic. We have a packed stadium coming to witness this match.
As we want to observe 1 minute
Now,
of silence,
we shall be observing a minute's silence because of the death of Dominic Suarez, a very famous footballer of the country. Well, Churchill have had a very good pre-season. They created many chances, missed a penalty, hit the post twice.
Of the Airtel I-League, and this is the second round which has been going on match, and Mohun Bagan has come with 1 point, and so here the match begins.
And the first attack is by Churchill. Adil Khan.
Where Zaki tries to take a strike, easily collected by Arindam. These are the few of the highlights which we are trying to show you from the 17th edition of the Airtel I-League.
And here, while on your screen, you see the replay, action replay, and that was a brilliant save. Well, I think it was a good ending to the Airtel I-League match between Mohun Bagan and Churchill.
World Tourism Day was celebrated in Goa at the Inox Courtyard. Indiva, the all-women band from Mumbai, performed at the celebration. Goan singer Varun Carvalho also made the celebration brighter with his songs. The crowd enjoyed both the performances on Friday evening. Here are some of the glimpses.
Hindu, Muslim, Christian chain, we can end this needless pain. All we need is hope inside. Do you need to really fight just to prove that you are right? Can you see? And then inside.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.